So I've been working on a lot of stained glass this last little while. We had a big show and we had to build a lot of glass. So after being in that glass situation where you're always leaning forward and cutting, or leaning forward and grinding, leaning forward and soldering, it really gets to your shoulders and neck. And this was kind of a stressful weekend, a lot going on, and so I started feeling a little bit of stress in my neck and shoulders, and I'm thinking, maybe you have that going on sometimes when you're doing your stained glass. And so if so, I would like to help, because I have learned a couple of yoga poses that really help neck and shoulders. So welcome to Wisdom Wednesday and the 5 different exercises that will help your neck and shoulders if you've been doing a lot of stained glass or whatever you do. But you know, that's just kind of where I'm coming from. So I'd just like to tell you a few little things. One is just to sit in a comfortable position, and with your right elbow or right shoulder, we'll start, is just rounded shoulder circles. This is the first exercise because it just warms you up and just gets you ready for anything that we're going to do, which is nothing fancy. All right, we're not going to do anything spectacular today. And then after you've done a few shoulders, then let's put our fingers on our shoulder and then reach around with your elbow. Really nice, big circles. It's stretching all of your neck, your shoulders, your back. After a few of these, we're going to use your full range of motion. So just reaching with your fingers, making a big arc, following with your eyes, and just around a great big circle. Really feeling good, stretching out your whole arm. You can do as many as you want, but so 3 is good. It's a good start. And so we don't want the other side to feel lonely. So do shoulders.
That'll help the OCD.
Elbows. Get the peanut gallery going over there. And full arm circles. And you're just going to feel better already. All right, coming back to center now. So after we've done that, a couple of arm rolls, we're going to do something that really feels good. And this, I was practicing right before this video and it just felt so amazing. So you take your right arm out, cross it over your chest, and just kind of hold on to it, and then just reach that arm out. Oh, that really feels good. And so really for the best results, you would hold this for about 8 to 10 breaths. Okay? And then coming back, and then the other side. Just hold on. Oh, you can even turn away from your fingers. Ooh, you can feel that added stretch there. It doesn't hurt. If it hurts, you're doing it wrong. So it's not hurting, it's just a nice stretch, okay? So, already I'm just feeling more loose and ready to roll this morning. Okay, so another one that's really good, this is called the eagle. You can do this standing up, you can do this sitting down, but you're going to put your right hand up, wrap around your left. The goal is to get your hands together. If you can't reach, that's okay. Hold on to your wrist, okay? And when you've got that, you just kind of lift up just a little bit and hold that for maybe 8 or 10 breaths. And then relax your shoulders down. Unwind your hands, okay? And just rest for a breath, and then do it with your other side. Wrapping around, palms together if you can. Lifting up. Oh, you can feel that in your shoulders. This is exactly what I needed, and maybe you too. And then after 8 or 10 breaths, you relax your shoulders, unwind your hands. A cleansing breath. It feels so awesome. Okay, 2 more. Okay, this one I love. It's one of my favorites. So you're on your hands and knees. Your hands are under your shoulders. Knees are under your hips, right? And this right arm is going to this is called thread the needle. I'm going to take our right arm right underneath, rest your shoulder and your cheek down on your mat, and just breathe. Oh, that just feels delicious. Go on with your day, I'm staying here. Not really. All right, so then we're gonna try the other arm. Feels so good on your shoulder. You can just feel it down into your hip. Rest in your shoulder, cheek. A few breaths. And coming up. Ah, wonderful. Okay, while we're here, one last one that I would like to show you, just feels amazing, is called the cat-cow. So first of all, we're going to just lift up into an arch. This is the cat part. And the cow part is that you just let your belly hang and look forward, okay? So let's try that. Lifting forward, this is an inhale. And then exhaling, arch. Inhale. Exhale. And you do that a few times, and that will just make you feel so good. So, you know what? I'm ready to go out into the glass studio and cut some glass. I think I've got a soldering project to do, a design project to do, and a couple of projects that I'm going to do for gifts. So I hope you're feeling grand right now. I am just relaxed and ready to go. Thank you for joining me today. Hopefully we can do some other poses another time to help us to really feel good about doing our stained glass. So goodbye for now. Be sure to check in with us. Leave a comment if you'd like. Maybe there's some poses that you've done that help you to feel good too. So we'll see you next time.